Every team today says they're data-driven, but let's be honest, most are just data drowning. Dashboards, reports, trackers, all screaming for attention. In fact, 90% of the world's data was created in just the last 2 years, and that number is expected to grow another 150% this year alone. The result? Endless information, but not enough insight, because traditional tools can't keep up with the scale or speed of how businesses move today. That's where AI agents change the game. They act on the data, cleaning it, analyzing it, and turning it into instant decisions, instead of just reporting it. In this video, we'll explore 5 AI agents for data analysis that help teams move faster, make smarter calls, and actually use their data, not just collect it. Let's start with the one leading the charge, ClickUp. It's the world's first converged AI workspace, where your data, teams, and workflows finally live in one place. And with ClickUp AI agents, your analysis doesn't just get done, it runs on autopilot. Think of them as AI teammates built right into your workspace. They can clean data, summarize insights, and even trigger next steps, all without you lifting a finger. Let's say you upload a fresh sales dataset. Instantly, your AI agent gets to work, cleaning entries, running a quick summary, and sending a snapshot of performance to your dashboard. Spot an anomaly? It flags it, assigns a follow-up task, and adds a comment tagging the right person. You can start fast with pre-built agents like a project readiness agent, regulatory checklist agent, or post-project analysis agent, or you can build your own custom agent that does exactly what your business needs, like generating weekly revenue reports or comparing campaign data from HubSpot and Google Sheets. Behind all this intelligence sits ClickUp Brain, the engine that powers these agents with context, logic, and real-time understanding. It's what turns data into decisions. And when it's time to visualize results, ClickUp dashboards and AI cards turn those insights into clean, shareable reports, helping teams move from what happened to what's next. Next up, we have Tableau AI, the go-to choice for teams that think in visuals. It goes beyond dashboards and charts, helping you spot hidden patterns and trends that drive smarter decisions. It comes with Tableau Pulse, so you get real-time alerts whenever a key metric changes. Its predictive tools let you explore what-if scenarios, like forecasting revenue or spotting early dips in performance, while the Einstein Trust Layer keeps your data secure and compliant. Of course, all that power means you're working with heavy data sets, so things can slow down a bit with large files. Moving on, if your data feels messy or scattered, Polymer AI makes sense of it in seconds. It's built for marketing, sales, and product teams who want quick, no-code analysis. Just upload your dataset, and Polymer automatically organizes, cleans, and visualizes it for you. Its dynamic widgets, like bar charts, heat maps, and time series graphs, make exploring data effortless. You can even embed dashboards directly into websites or presentations for easy sharing. The interface can feel a bit crowded at first, but once you get the hang of it, Polymer AI is a good choice. Now let's talk about the fourth AI agent, Click. It is built for teams that need answers right now. Most BI tools make you stick to rigid dashboards and preset query paths, but Click's associative analytics engine lets you explore freely. Follow a hunch, spot a hidden link, or uncover patterns you didn't even know to look for. It syncs data from multiple sources in real time, and Click Answers turns plain language questions into clear visual answers. It can take you a bit of time to get used to it, but once you do, Click makes exploring data feel effortless. Finally, meet Data Robot, your shortcut to advanced predictive analytics. Think of it as your data scientist on autopilot. It builds, tests, and deploys machine learning models automatically. No coding or deep data science background required. From time forecasting series to detecting fraud, Data Robot handles it all. It does need solid computing power, but if you want to add machine learning without the extra effort, Data Robot makes it easy. These were the 5 AI agent tools that are changing how we work with data. Faster, smarter, easier. But if you want everything, your data, your team, your goals, to work together, ClickUp's AI agents do just that. They analyze, summarize, and act, turning insights straight into outcomes. And with ClickUp Brain behind it all, powering every decision with intelligence, you're not just tracking data, you're running your business smarter. So go ahead, sign up today at clickup.com and turn everyday data into powerful decisions.